How can I get a free VIN number check for my car?
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be exploring how to get a free VIN number check for your car. This is an essential step when buying a used vehicle, as it provides important information about the car's history. Let's get started.
What is a VIN number?
A VIN, Vehicle Identification Number, is a unique 17-character code given to every vehicle. This number can tell you the vehicle's history, including accidents, recalls, and more. Typically, the VIN is located on the dashboard on the driver's side of the vehicle, and it's visible through the windshield.
Why do a VIN check?
Performing a VIN check can help you avoid potential headaches down the road. It can reveal if the car has been stolen, if it has a salvage title, or if there are any liens on the vehicle. Having this information can help you make an informed decision when purchasing a used car.
How to get a free VIN check?
Getting a free VIN check can be simple, and many online resources offer this service. Here is a basic step-by-step guide. 1. Locate the VIN number on your car or on the car you're interested in buying. 2. Write the VIN number down carefully. 3. Go to a website that provides free VIN checks. These could be national databases, insurance companies, or vehicle history reporting services. 4. Enter the VIN number into the search bar on the website. 5. Review the report. It's important to note that while some services may provide basic information for free, there may be a charge for more comprehensive reports. Getting a free VIN number check is an essential step when purchasing a used vehicle. It can provide you with peace of mind and ensure that you are making a safe and informed purchase. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Safe driving!